And finally, Mzbel abekasa concerning the arrest of Fire Oja no. Wabe trense na Ghana foreign trends asemi kura eye no kure ana enya no kure. Finally, Mzbel na nkasa wabe tro no mutu a confirm na ordinary so aba. Aha Penyah block media. Mess was say need mu. Obe like video no other my post subscribe button sound click notification icon of latest update na be chere wa adwen da ma me e wo comments response over so. No say first enya bia hwe. And for the first time wa me Penyah me who say ya chesofo eye the arrest of Angel Daniel Obinim somewhere there 13 14 15 one more baby yet that is 20 13 14 15 one more eba say why illegal connection e wona so dan hono no electricity sense why illegal connection go chill that was the first time I'm say ya chinya bi nipa the next time bi am who say ya chinya bi nipa abra adam pare ekwachi Isaac osu bemfa that was my second time who say ya chisofo amana yi me next time bi Abraham who say Salifu Amuakon ne bare de car kwatwi ngwase ya drive kwaya ngwase ya drive ma de car kokunku amanfo eja ko eji baby na de no say kwachi nyame nipa ko no papa ye table na ye ko fa no. That was my third time and my last time who say achi nyame nipa na busia say na enya no na ebetima achi nyame nipa bi amana ye enra mam wo ye Facebook ni ye Instagram ni ye TikTok ni ye Twitter ni ye thread hono de ye blame this particular flyer I ka kire mo say Fire Oja he's been arrested. Unu Fire Oja, do you know Fire Oja? Or no say odi wanu be sinu ga kra bi say won free nyame unyes obechi watu obeka ya wachi abro no ma Fire Oja bechi watu mu sesi e the police ebehunahuna or the court ebehunahuna just to silence you obechi watu. So this is the nature of Fire Oja. Emana ka tro say Fire Oja Mzbel akwachi no for defamation. Now let's go back to the story. Obeka 2025 nemu 28th April 2025 and a video be pop up on the internet. In the course of the video no you will say Mzbel akọ visit Mami Ola and as Ola Mami as oye soul traveler oye queen of soul traveler and when say Ola Mami Mzbel ato ho no mo I just all ye nyankoma de ewo no na oye honhom niam edema Mzbel
bibi amedi consciously unconsciously bibi am consuming nye aduane pe anything am consuming whether information whether emotions bibi am consuming into my body. The person is supposed to like bring it all out. Me fear let me fear ankasa me fear ma me yemre me weak na me fi no na eni so ba so it felt like I was pouring out emotions. Don't me feeling na no it brings all of those memories no but the tears were just coming. Once it's done, if right away when it's with they have group session too. They have the VIP session and they have the VVIP session. So I'm doing the VVIP session. I already told it's very expensive. You have your privacy. You are here with Ola Mami herself and her team and the ushers and everybody. Because nipa bebre go through niama omunti ase. Obi wo wa establishing who ye or when you should when I brabo munyina, but only peace of mind, only energy. Even when so go through their awakening, confused or if you come here, you will get help. So I'm doing this for myself, but then I'm doing it for everybody that loves me, everybody that follows me, all my misbelievers. I am doing this so that definitely I will share my experience for all of you who wants to try to also try. There is more to life than what we.
What I say? Am I right after that? No, Mzbel ebeka se be kire nsemu. How call any boa any nema obeye. Mzbel ebeka se ebe kire mu. Emma from there who said na abeya Mzbel in daily routine because there was even as of November 25 there was a video I said on all meditating nema is not abeya part of my life.
Today, I am meditating on a business opportunity that has been presented to me. I'm first of all cleansing my space with my ritual perfume. I have my sound bowl, my incense burner, my diffuser, my clove oil, my clove powder and tiger seed, another incense burner. Now I'm bringing in my candles, my clove candles, and then my money candles. Yes. a little scoop of clove powder for my clove tea to relax my mind, clove powder from spells and rituals, adding hot water to my clove powder. I'm inhaling it because I just love the smell of clove. Now I'm anointing my clove candles and money candles with my clove oil, making sure the oil sits in well before I light them. Anointing my head with oil so that my cup will run it over. Lighting my candles now to invite the energy of the sun. Now I'm burning some incense to carry my intentions to the universe. Dropping some oil in my diffuser, that's clove oil, to intensify the energy of clove in my space. I just love the smell of clove, so I will inhale it hard till it cools down. Lighting my kerosene lamp to invite my ancestors. My ancestors and I, we identify by kerosene lamp. My cat's eye seed to lock in and protect, and then my crystals to ground and to give me clarity. I have my rose quartz, smoky quartz, amethyst, black obsidian, and the green aventurine. Now a moment of silence, and then time to lay down, relax.
Now that video now happened on 28th April 2025 no. Ana Fire Oja ebe tamu video no be chirem say Mzbel boa masa Mzbel boa. O chirem say ni so a travel we so ko share ne honhom dene obo he. O yare. De hu say o ye nyina no. De hu say na mami ola eye ma no he Mzbel o yale tin eti ko ye no. Na mami ola hwe ne yare.
Mzbel o yare serious. Amaya Jenito Kaswa Hospital. Unyame Penyah jail. The insurance is seen so. And so Ababonting as a public figure. Wabi Shantro Kesi actually Ghana for. Say, Okoye so travel. Say, with the public figure say be careful. Bit me ajijo cry upon you. When your mamma and I are it's your yadia ever cover. Said the Ghana youths and then my one follow me back. Now, Ula Mamma no Azan or my Jomusika, no one so Mzbel when you be. Mzbel, a public figure. You can't come online and say something about her. Now I found what the church. We did the Prophet Fire Oja. Say Mzbel say what your party send me. Omla Bontin the second time again. Say Mzbel say on your bar so assign your bear to send me. Omla Bontin the second time again. And mamma deny say. Or ye so travel no echino near my demand no me a car can cool ya geneto Kaswa Hospital ya the insurance see so me must be a make be a me evidence and so was semi boa obi to me as ababonten back beam and near my me ye piano on a crown of Mobile no mama. Se Mzbel Penyah ho asama on chin home free mu. So was sit where your belly matter send me Prophet Jedidia Henry Korea me te say ya. Mzbel who saw video we be ma. Ombla bonten sa me chan trunch the Ghana for be. Asama me to me akan. Abua bi e be pla. Obi wu a abua bi e be wu a wo plans a. Ebia na enema bi a hyehye suma se a entimi mpie no. And I'm so need na be pia bonten. Inti Mzbel, me did the Prophet Fire Oja. What be two foot trouble Ghana for when you say okoye so travel baby anya. O ye tro for ba, o ye tro celebrity o ye tro public figure o chan tro. me say ya je to hospital ya di nsuo sisi wo so me na meka na wonim so say ya nokre ti me ye video wi ama e da encounter video na wo ye no say wo boa na say wo say wo ye oba wo gina so a san be twa the second video bio be hu niam e be pia bonten concerning you and ulama me da say me did the prophet and correct me da sa for friend Zion prayer ministry and go akosto obisi sofo adena ya we say mempe obi a otwantro wo social media o kasama ya no kore nyame pena je wonunum no ni wi nka wu ti wo de my video wi ama I'm waiting for your response. God bless you.
Obi en baby a Fire Oja konya evidence anya that 83 buy but obechirim say Mzbel oyare e mo sakra throw challenge e ma Mzbel kire say na Fire Oja kasa asere or evidence or fact on a Mzbel or the Mzbel doctor is or hwe ne yare a onim de air cost one ins and outs onim de air cost wo abusia e ma Mzbel ebufu
Ebusia, I'm one of the few celebrities omo akwa yes so travel ewo olama mi ho celebrities omo yes so travel olama mi ho nyina so me well me ni mo ko ewo mechi but dia me ni mo no a omo yes so travel olama mi ho nyina me na me introduce omo wie yes so omo da amase obi ani ho a complain ma me say okoye so travel onya some weird challenges we na bibi boni crazy me ko ye me so travel me wie ye manage ya ma we ense me kan but ola ma me kra post here me check $1,000 so me pa cha wo mo amu wo me comment section me DM asking about many ola ma me so travel here see bibi ye me na ye me go to hospital blah blah na fine me pa cha nya nukre why me pa cha enya nukre ba ku say makwa akoye so travel bibi a ye hu say na se bibi atomia enti ka me ba betena social media na de bia me wo la ma me hu dewro me ni nam ne ho me ko ni retreat me ni bon komo esusu me ni ama ho se wa ba se madam fokra enti ka me ba betena social media twantro I mean let's be real it is okay say obi be ya wade ama ne ho aye wehi na wa try say u better ne she no but it is not okay that you will lie celebrities omakọ olama mi ho nyina mesu enefa koye politicians bi kura akoho mesu enefa koye obia complaining obia ma me good results enti no me pamacho those who wants to know this is the answer nothing wrong happened I can me jai hoko enyo olama mi ho nkwa spiritual home mama visit my visit spiritual homes baby trying to learn trying to know find my path you know me nkwa me ntimi nsori prekupe enka say me I don't know how to put it me healer na say me conscious person anadibi I need people to teach me and mentor me that is why I never say me was spiritual home because you dey kakra wa ha ma so dey kakra wa so dey kakra wa baby amakwa amachepa na yola mame ho one because she's close to me or wakaswa here me wagbawe and number two like she doesn't add drama to her work she's straight you know me ko e bibi na enya mame obeka chem say we ya wo ye enye yi emfa like I don't know you need to experience her to understand her but the air cost be baby and crofo person mo twetwe me be me sre mo me pamacho please I'm minding my business all I can say is that the few celebrities that I introduced to soul travel olama mi hono they were happy with it they gave me good results including politicians obian complaining and they still are in contact with her me call a retreat na saying I saw a couple of people there just that some people want their privacy and one thing I like about olama mi's place is that call her bibia e ba ma watch afili form who per say a child picture, who per say a video, who per say you say per say who per fill form na sign this disclaimer no. So you may not see these people. Me, my spiritual partner, I am sharing it because that is me ba ya say ma ba ya no. Say me sunya de na ma share. Say me teach. So as I am learning and sharing my experience, I am teaching. I am learning, I am growing. Intimacy, soul travel is a game changer for me. Me pamacho. I am thinking of doing soul travel again on my birthday. It's just that my team is trying to make me go and perform somewhere for money. And we are contemplating. Either I will perform, either I will do birthday with the kids at Choco, or I will do soul travel. If I have to choose soul travel for my birthday, I say, I will say, Bibi Anna so mbuma me pa. Intimacy, it's not true, say, celebrity be ako, olama, ami wako ye soul travel, my baby ayano. I'm not aware of that. It's not me, and it's not any of the. It's like I'm even repeating myself. This is so annoying. I mean, anyway, bye.
Mzbel any Fire Oja echo the back and forth on the internet, sir. And so the enka bi shame no. Enra ekoba ye say Ghana police for etimi akwa tebri. Fire Oja. Efri ni fie akọ omo akache ayisi ade. Ho no mo. Ema you can Avraham Ben Moshe ebe kasa fa ho ene ade but ebe da kwa say ade eye ntro. And I said ebusia finally anope ye Mzbel aba kasa. Na we edin chirimu a ode baaye.
Good evening, Ebusia, for Adiasan, but I will send me a video because calls ni messages no. I don't think I can deal with individuals so me way send obi abeti no once and for all. Say when obi I also no so message ya na me pacho wa share amano. Send ya my management team edit to abontin area way on all my social media platforms sa enetie. Fire Oja was in police custody following allegations or your family who are without any evidence. Now, he was supposed to be in police custody for 48 hours to assist investigation, but I was later on informed say me free see Heidi headquarters hokoye wa admit to say ni oye ni wrong charges say the born nyina so waje atomo enti ebe process yen akokot. So there was no need to hold him that long at the police headquarters honomo because waje nemfuzwa atomo enti no 48 hours no was to keep him to assist investigation enti yamani bill ni ebe cbia no mo aso beti se na agrada de eba ya obi aba courtyard ho a obeblog ye no saa na ye de beto abontin intimesire mu enye ntro bi na me twa enye bibi na me ka de agi trend say ya chief Fire Oja and blah blah blah. Please, I woke up one morning and saw videos for sending me odidi matem or attacking me or accusing me or threatening me say me a bear me your bar me mra bontin me yes obey onyo bia me nemo no enyo bia me huneda onyo bia matina ase matine nkakra da se nya asem ye ba ye ya ka me kra me nim so your sofo na so your sofo no your influential no obeye bold atina se akan sem say afa me ho enye no kra for whatever reason e was say medical namran de to baby what so de to ma mfa na nkomamra say yentete no yengu ne ho fin yengu nenim ase yengi ne fa ho ndi mfiri ne sem no me ko report yes na ebe ya menya me peace of mind because I have noticed say sa no ye or started so only way yes I no want take action there every day bia obaba be stress so didi what temegu fin omo ne wonye fine bi omo yina wa kohwehwe mo chi akwan de omo be go so that's what I heard it does. And from Nyama Kakra me who social media no, I couldn't just sit down for him to do that to me. Me nimono that. And then he confirmed in my presence, so oh ni me me that. Social media no me videos. Anthony yes, yamane bill because watching in phone so atum. Wanje antoma anka yebe holding no in police custody for 48 hours. Na ya investigated. Atmasi Anthony ni ebe CBA no busuafo yele ba beto abonten amawe hu we a blogger we a media person now person interview me me patch your number eda me social media platforms no fra yebe yen hihye wo say bi ana de wo say meka na meka nkrofo asati didi matem say me your truthful ye na Fire Oja de blah 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 blah
na video na ma share na wo ka me ho asem no se wo fi se e okay se obia betimi asore keke na wa kasa atia obia keke na wa fa ne ho edi ama Ghana police ebu nani eguso dia any betimi dia yo but me can show be brown crying say you don't have to be a celebrity to get justice. You don't have to be an influential person to get justice. You don't have to be powerful to get justice. So obi titi wo fa ho de so obi didi watem obi mankrofo egu hu fi obi kotua bloggers ka se yen discredit yen se wedwuma obi ye wo bibi na wo ne mo se nye ne kwaso amepa chew wo twin ben Ghana police now the two minima you will get justice not because of who you are but because you are a Ghanaian and it's your right. And so I have exercised my rights. Mo amote echira mo kani amokina. Emre so ne ye courts na se ebeda pontia. Na mo ne be whatever it is. But this is what it is so far. Good night.
Na je 31st December no. The first night no Obeka Fire Oja was here come ki kan se me be niam beto to amanfo. But interesting girl no anga se wo hu se January go eba bechi no. Hey! Fire Oja hu amanfo de kan ye. Hu amanfo I think say wa me here kra no kan bi fa ne home media so eno so akọ I know akọ Penyah. O kan amanfo de but Fire Oja no who say nyame amuna wo say January bu kwade ye ba bechi no tu onwane ye ba bechi no. Chile wa dwe ma me e wo comment section. Ayi Penyah Block Media. Akra.